Welcome back to another video, folks. Today we have the Black+Decker 14-inch string trimmer and edger. This 6.5 amp all-electric weed eater is fully adjustable, features a wheeled edge guide for stability, and doesn't require any bumping to feed the string. So let's get it out the box and check it out. First thing we'll do is attach this 14-inch guard here. First we'll have to remove this screw. Now with the screw out, we can snap it into place. And then we'll use that same screw to secure it to the bottom. Now we'll attach the adjustable handle. To attach the handle, press in on the buttons on both sides of the upper housing. Position the handle, matching up the groove side of the handle with the groove button, and snap it into place. To adjust the handle, press in on the button, and you can raise or lower the handle. Now we'll remove this piece of tape covering the line cutoff blade located on the edge of the guard so that it can cut the line properly. The overall height of the trimmer can be adjusted by rotating the collar and moving the upper housing straight up or down. When the desired height is achieved, just rotate the collar again to tighten it into place. I picked up this nice 100-foot heavy-duty 15-amp 125-volt commercial extension cord here. It has lighted ends and a flexible vinyl jacket. It's rated 12/3, 1,875 watts, and works great with this Black+Decker string trimmer. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Here also, I have a 12-pack of trimmer line replacement spool refills that come with 3 cap and spring replacements. I have another video coming out soon on how to replace these on the trimmer. They work great, and I'll leave a link to these as well if you're interested. I bought one of these trimmers about 7 years ago with pretty good usage over the years. I really liked it, so I just bought another one. It's a great trimmer for the price, there's no need for gas or oil, and it gets the job done. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description as well.